Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of Queen Mother and the Queen, chapter 42. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Queen Shishaning. Right now, she's approaching Queen Jiangshu. Those meals' favorites were not arranged by me. Now she's trying to explain to her that everything is being set up by her brother. Those things Shi Chang'an sends to ridicule me. I have already sent them back to his house with gongs and drums. Right now, Changshu seems to be surprised. But didn't you let those men? Queen Mother said, no. Oh, at least right now, you really understand that everything is a plot. But Queen Shishaning said to her, how I'm miserable. I am in your heart. Oh, looking at her, she really looks pitiful. Although she was really good at acting, right? She's trying to coax back Queen Jiangshu. Shining. She is really a fox lady. How can the Queen Mother family be willing to part with it? Queen Shishaning, she was holding Jiangshu, and she was really hugging her tightly. Probably she really want to coax her so she can get back to the palace again. But it makes sense to Jiangshu. Right now, did she really suddenly notice that the Queen Mother somewhat she becomes sticky to her? Well, how could you not give up? Jiangshu said to the Queen Shishaning. She really pushed her hard so that the two of them can be separated. Well, she knows that Jiangshu always tease her. How could you not give up to tease me all the time with your head off and every time? Not only did you like to punish me. So, after hearing this, right now, Shishaning, she looks really sad. Well, probably she realized that. But Jiangshu, she really feels exhausted. Queen Shishani, she's trying to explain herself and said to her, let's go into the house and I will say something. Now she grabbed Changshu so the two of them can talk inside the house. Suddenly, she took off her belt. He said to her, no, didn't you say that it is inside the house? So, right now, Queen Changshu is being tied up. Well, is she going to punish her again? She really tricked her so much. Although right now, what a poor Changshu. She really didn't know. Positioning. She has always some plans for her. Why did she take actions right now? Changshu, she was questioning herself. In Shishaning, she really tricked her so much. Queen Jiangshu said to herself, it was all ruined. Now, she was really crying. But what punishment will she receive again? What did I do just now? Contradict her like that? Obviously, all I have to do is act honestly and act well behaved. After saying the truth, she's been punished again. The government is unstable. This is indeed a good way to survive. Queen Shishaning said to her. However, Jiangshu, don't even fool yourself. You will feel so good. Oh, Shishaning, she is really tricky person. Punishing her. Jiangshu seems to be shaky. After receiving her punishment, Queen Shishaning still provoking her. Even though she looks really hurt, in pain, also shaking, continue to press her. And also, she continued to punish her. The Queen Mother, she was really too strict for her. Well, for Jiangshu, so she can really bear this time. No, if we keep teasing like this, I will be defeated all the time. Well, definitely she was right. If she always been punished like this, especially right now, she get this again. Queen Mother, she can always do whatever she thinks and whatever she wants to her. Especially right now. Queen Jiangshu, all she can do is to accept everything from her. Even it was good thing or painful thing. Queen Changshu. She was still shaking, although it seems like she's gonna cry. She's going to cry on happiness or something else. Changshu, well, she looks really uncomfortable. And Queen Shishaning, she was still punishing her and always calling her. Now she was acting to sway her hands. Let's hope she will not hurt again. But suddenly, she grabbed her and hugged her tightly. Oh, the Queen Mother, especially after punishing her. If someone else hurt you, would you do the same thing? Will gets angry. She's going to protect Changshu, whoever or whichever person that really hurts her. Of course, the body cannot deceive by the others. What are the feelings do you have for me? What feelings does I have for you? Are you taking it seriously and not even noticing it? So, Queen Changshu, she looks really uncomfortable. Also, she cannot look straight on hers. He said to her, yes, I'm already in her hands. That's why only she can do is. It is advice. I am really bad person. In Jiangsu, she was really thinking hard. Also right now, she was coughing. She is really falling in love with Queen Shishaning. So after the conversation of the two of them, no, that won't happen. Queen Jiangsu said to Shishaning. She is denying it. Also, she is really faking it. She is really good at faking it herself. Well, definitely she was right. Shishaning, right now, she was really laughing hard. Well, she really taking good care of her. They're talking and laughing hard. Now, they're really in trouble. Of course, her father may be surprised to see Queen Shishaning. Her father said to her, baby, would you like to eat a bowl of sweet soup? Oh, what a sweet mother she has. Hey guys, thanks for supporting me. Soratori, Dark Soul, thank you for joining the membership also. Sokli Hui, for sending super things. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join on membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!